Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the sound mode on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control and then navigate to the sound tile. Select it, and here at the very top you can adjust the sound mode selecting one of these presets such as game, music, news, stadium, standard and user defined. Once you select the mode that you need, the changes will be applied. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.